Hi guys, need to show you in this video how they did with the study framing and the bricks work. Here you can see the bricks work. So you can see here they mark the layout for the bricks. Okay, that's the kickers they used. And here you can see the flashing. They cover this, and here you can see when they did the air barrier, you can see they put the flashing here, you know, all the way around. Flashing, you can see flashing here, and then they hit it with the air barrier. Okay. Here you can see the header. They put insulation inside. You can see there is insulation inside. You can see that they put insulation inside. That's Tyvek Rubon. So in other project, if you miss this one, you need to do spray foam, you know. But here they did insulation inside for the metal headers. So here you can see again. Okay, that's empty. You need more. So they have it. And here you can see here the flashing for the air barrier and the flashing for mason. And here you can see the angle. Here you can see the angle for mason. Stick like recess inside, like 1/2 inch or 3/4. And here it is attached to the back side of the exterior sheathing. So same thing like here. You can see that's the angle. And here slope down a little bit. You can see slope down. That's details for mason. And here that's the exterior sheathing, fire rated 2x6 fire rated plywood 3/4. But here you can see insulation for box header and how they set the angle. Here you can see threshold and bolt. Okay, and here they put, you know, the insulation. You can see the insulation here. And here you can see how they put the flashing for the air barrier to cover everything, and they hit it and roll it with the air barrier for like moisture. Air barrier moisture. Here you can see diamond. They painted that felt. And here that's the angle. You can see the angle. So the frame, how they installed the frame. You can see the bricks. So the frame here, flush with the slab. You can see here that's the door open to the outside. So that's a flush with the slab. And then the bricks came behind the frame. You can see And here at the top, and here you have weep holes, and here at the top you have the angle. So if you move this one back, you need to make sure there is no gap here, everything is covered. Okay guys, that's how to install. And here from inside, you can see they have that for sheetrock from inside, you know. There is a gap here for sheetrock inside. So here you can see there is a gap for sheetrock inside. You know, that's maybe 1 inch. Sheetrock is 5/8. Okay, you can see how they shim it.